All right, so we're gonna clean the filter. The filter is on. Okay, so over here, we're gonna go shut it off. Put the timer up, turn it to the left, come back over. Now the filter slides this way, so don't try to pull it up, just slide it back. I have a chlorine tablet in there, that's okay, I leave it on top. Take out the little basket, take out the filter, and then you go hose this filter down. So we'll pretend we hosed it. Then we come back, and there's a little dirt in there. So what I usually do is undo this screw, wiggle this, and cover that, and let that drain a little bit, get some of the dirt out of there. Put it back on, make sure it's on there tight, and then tighten that back up. If there's any dirt in here, I just splash that out. Filter goes back in. It's like a little notch down there. You just twist it a little. It'll go right in there. Basket goes back on, only one way. See where that is? Goes right down in. Lay your chlorine if you want. It's a little dirty, I would put a chlorine tablet in there. Just make sure it's on both sides. Go back over, turn the filter on.